How to fix not delivered messages or text on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If your messages or text on Android are not being delivered, then first thing first you need to check network connection. Make sure your phone has a stable cellular or Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, switch between mobile data to see if the issue resolved and check if you have enough signal bars. If not, you need to move to a location with better reception. Also, you need to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues or app glitches. Hold on power button and simply swipe towards restart to restart your phone and check whether your issue resolved or not. If not yet, you need to simply clear app cache and data. Suppose if your messages application is not receiving or delivering any kind of messages, then hold on your message application and select I button. Now simply choose storage uses and tap clear cache. So this will clear all your unnecessary data, but this will not delete your messages, but instead will reset app settings. And the next thing you need to check is ensure that you have sufficient balance. If you are on a prepaid plan, make sure you have enough credit to send SMS or MMS. As you can see that your current balance is 0.15, and also there is loan taken of 42.48. So this might be the reason why our SMS has not been delivered on Android device. If none of this work for you, you simply need to test using a different SMS or SIM or phone. Insert your SIM card into another phone to check if the problem is with your device or carrier. And you can also insert another SIM into your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.